The pneumatic hydraulic FireFox tool series allows extremely versatile, easy and flexible setting processes. All tools come with the user-friendly and innovative traction force adjustment feature and are able to set blind rivet nuts fast and safely. In addition, the FireFox 2 allows very experienced users to work with the setting stroke adjustment. This feature is mainly used in high-volume production applications. All FireFox series tools are immediately ready for use. Please make sure that you do not add any addition oil. This can seriously damage your high-quality FireFox. Traction force adjustment is the most widely used, easiest and reliable way of setting blind rivet nuts. It is ideal when, for example, you want to set blind rivet nuts in size M6 into materials of different thickness. As you can see, blind rivet nuts can also vary in size. You can adjust the traction force easily and fast by means of the color scale. Choose the blind rivet nut you want to set by material and size, for example, M6 steel, and you'll immediately see the color you need. Use the set screw to adjust the color field, in this case, red. Now select the maximum material thickness to test whether the traction force adjustment is correct. Check whether the blind rivet nut has been set correctly. If the blind rivet nut has not been set correctly, you have to increase or reduce the traction force gradually. Now the FireFox is ready for use and reliably sets the blind rivet nut you have chosen, of the same size or of different sizes, without further adjustment, even in large quantities. The FireFox 2 is mainly used by experienced experts who want to choose between traction force and setting stroke adjustment. This is how to adjust the traction force for FireFox 2. Press the green release button. It is then essential to adjust the setting stroke to the maximum stroke value of 10 mm. Now all lines on the scale and the blue ring are visible. Please take all further steps by adjusting the traction force by means of the color scale as described for FireFox 1F and 2F. This is how to adjust the traction force for FireFox 2 without using the color scale. Press the green release button. It is then essential to adjust the setting stroke to the maximum stroke value of 10 mm. By gradually inserting the set screw, you increase the traction force. Unscrewing decreases the traction force. Now check whether the nut is set correctly. The setting stroke adjustment for the FireFox 2, which is only recommended for experienced experts, is mainly used in high-volume production applications. Please make sure to adjust the maximum traction force first. For this purpose, insert the set screw for the traction force as far as it will go. Press the release button and adjust the correct setting stroke. One line on the scale equals 1 mm of setting stroke. Reference values for the setting stroke are given in the operating instructions. Depending on the thickness of the material, fine adjustment of the setting stroke might become necessary. Now check whether the nut is set correctly. If you use the FireFox 2 for the first time, Gasipa recommends to work with traction force. The FireFox series convinces with extremely fast setting processes, automatic drill-on and drill-off features, and ergonomic design. Gasipa wishes you years of fun at work, reliable, practical, and in proven quality. Gasipa, the expert in blind riveting technology.